House Speaker Alvarez said that somehow it appears as if she was fired from her post. Do you believe that, ma'am? By asking not to attend the meeting?
More or less, we congressmen agree with House Speaker Alvarez's interpretations of the event. In my time, for instance, I desisted from telling a cabinet member, "You're fired. I want to replace you." We always arrange for a way for the cabinet member to resign.
Ako, when I first saw the reports in the news, ang headline, VP Robredo resigns. Then I read the story, and atas yung story, ang sinasabi doon, she received the text saying that she's no longer required to attend cabinet meetings. So I said to myself, that doesn't sound like she resigned. It sounds like, it's one step short of firing her, di ba? Parang ganun ang nangyari. But as we can see, alimbawa, si Chairperson Licuanan, sinabihan din siya ng ganun, pero as far as we know, I don't think she's planning to resign, di ba?